Saneko Yanoni, sometimes I feel like I need to come out to address it, especially to Onyemen. I can't say echo me. Hear me out. Onyeme, I can't say echo me. Some of them. I don't know how they think. I don't know how they reason. I don't know how, especially like young generation, and they just talk out of emotions. Sometimes I wonder how these people think. Okay, wo game kume, wo game, we are not Ghanese, or ekole, woje mankunkulu no alo agba wo echumi. Hello, sometimes ina kaji fi amake ekole woje Togo. Hello, woje Zambia. Hello, like African countries ekuni wo town be ake wo ba hishin Ghana ni ana wake Ghana me Ghana biji wo. Sometimes I may be more ko no wana ke money type of ego momi moto son board me. In post video ko YouTube o fa ne ka follow ko YouTube but money no follow Jimmy Choco YouTube. Jimmy posted a lot of the full videos there. And then I posted a video and this guy came to comment and said you can't force your language on we the Akans. Instead of him speaking for himself, he qualified the whole of Akans, which I know is not the whole of Akans. Some. We can't force the Gan language on them. Some of them, as the Akans, can speak our language, but they will never speak that our unknown language. Who in his right sense, born and bred in Ghana, will ever think like this? Sometimes I just wonder, okay, someone is sitting somewhere trying to create confusions, and now this internet now money or account people create fake account just to come and do all sorts of because they can't use their own account. And most of the time say like account in you taflache you money be mo be me cock o te check like account one like a picture be no be any tracker is an active account no can use na GA here no na pictures no na history one like account now creating no be born me. So sometimes I feel like I need to address these kind of issues, and for some of them to know, okay, we are not people who are, let's say,